Hey, it's Doug from RisePub Performance Train, and I have another simple and effective and a completely customizable workout for you. I call it the Double Up Workout. Let's check it out. So the Double Up Workout is done for repetitions where you double the repetitions based on what exercise you're doing. Now the customizable part is you can make up your own exercises, but when you're doubling up the exercises, you want to make sure it's kind of comparable to the exercise that you're doing. For example, like if you work up to 100, you don't want to do that for push-ups necessarily because it might be too much, unless you're very, very good at push-ups or pull-ups, for example. The way I have it structured is we're going to do push-ups, sit-ups, kettlebell swing, and jump rope. Now, for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to go 5 push-ups, double that up to 10 sit-ups, double that up to 20 swings, and then finally double that up to 40 jump ropes. Okay? So let's get started. You can do this at your own pace too, so there's no time. I know a lot of our workouts have time, but you can kind of go as quickly or as slowly as you like. So I'll just do our 5 push-ups. So that's completely manageable there. And then we'll do our 10 sit-ups. Sit-ups are generally a little bit easier than push-ups for most people. So I'll just do my 10 sit-ups. I'll do one more for 10. All right. Now I'm going to do 20 swings. So I'm just going to do 2 arm swings, but again, customizable. You can do 1 arm swings with a switch, or like 10 and 10, or alternating swings. All right, that's my 20 slings. And my final exercise, I'm going to double up and do the jump rope for 40 skips. All right, so there's my round. Now, you can do multiple rounds, obviously, get a good workout. You can do this as a finisher, so it's a great way to kind of finish a workout, like I'm gonna knock this out and just kind of complete my workout, make sure I got everything. Now, I also like to do a little bit higher reps with it, so I kind of showed you on the lower rep scheme. Good for beginners, also good for a ladder build. So let's say you do the first round at that lower double, and then you can go up a little bit more. So maybe you go 10 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, 40 swings, and then 80 skips. The ultimate kind of one that I've done with my classes and things like that, or for my athletes finisher, is the 25 push-ups, 50 swings, 50 sit-ups, 100 swings, and then 200 skips. So we've done that for a finisher. We've also done that as a workout where we kind of sprinkle it in our workout. We try to do like 3 rounds of that, resting 2 to 3 minutes in between. So again, fully customizable with the exercises and the rep scheme. So have fun with it, play around. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you like the video, please like it. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing. Trying to put out a new video every week with workouts and techniques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.